Today, we're diving into the breathtaking world of hypercars with a close look at the 2025 Pagani, a true masterpiece of Italian automotive engineering. The 2025 Pagani continues the legacy of exclusivity and performance that has defined the brand for decades. Pagani has always been about more than just going fast. It's about creating rolling works of art, and the latest model is no exception. With its sleek carbon fiber body, aggressive aerodynamics, and bold lines, this car isn't just built for speed, it's designed to turn heads on every road it graces. Under the hood, the 2025 Pagani features a Mercedes-AMG-sourced V12 engine that delivers a mind-blowing 850 horsepower. This beast can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. The top speed, an astonishing 230 miles per hour. But it's not just about raw numbers. Pagani engineers have meticulously tuned the suspension and chassis to offer razor-sharp handling and an incredibly connected driving experience. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like the cockpit of a fighter jet mixed with luxury couture. Every element is crafted with obsessive attention to detail, from the billet aluminum switches to the hand-stitched leather and carbon fiber accents. The 2025 Pagani isn't just a car, it's an expression of craftsmanship, power, and individuality. What makes Pagani even more exclusive is its limited production numbers. Only a handful of these hypercars are built each year, ensuring that each owner becomes part of an elite club. With customization at the heart of Pagani's philosophy, buyers can tailor every inch of the car to their personal taste, from paint and interior trim to unique materials and finishes. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Pagani is expected to start at around $3.5 million. That's right, this car isn't just for anyone. It's for the few who demand the ultimate in performance, luxury, and exclusivity. And with the level of engineering, design, and personal touch that goes into every single model, many would argue it's worth every penny. So, whether you're a die-hard car enthusiast or just love dreaming about the pinnacle of automotive design, the 2025 Pagani is one of those cars that captures the imagination. It's fast, beautiful, rare, and utterly unforgettable. Thanks for watching Auto Thinker Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more stunning car content every week. Until next time, stay driven.